Hello, my furry shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope you're having a great weekend so far. Now, we are back shopping at Sam's Club. I heard there's some new sweet treats, so let's see what we could find today. The movie theater projector bundle. I really do like this, and there's so much in this bundle. You're getting the tripod, you're getting the projector itself, plus the screen, so everything you need to have a fun movie night or even during the day. Now, it is on sale, and this savings is going to go on until the 26th, a $30 savings, $119. And from Govee, this is that permanent outdoor lights you place on your home. You can keep these up all year round. These are on sale. It's a $100 savings, $239. That's going to go on until the 21st. Now, the Nutcrackers this year, Sam's Club did a great job. They are on clearance now. So $293.76. So over $50 discount, and they play music as well. So definitely check these out. Lots of other Christmas items are on clearance too. But we did find a new celebration gift pack. And this is a Duvel. There's 2 bottles. It looks like you get the glass as well. And if anyone has tried it, love to hear your feedback. $18.96. And if you're wanting to have like some karaoke fun, there's quite a few options here at Sam's Club, and this is the latest. Now, this is probably one of the most expensive ones I have seen so far. I like that it has a rolling travel bag, and it has a screen on top, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and you can see it right here. And this is a really nice one, but it is definitely on the pricier side. It includes the microphones, $450 for this bundle. And if you're needing gift cards for the holiday season, Sam's Club seriously has so many options when it comes to the gift cards, and this is just one part of it. They actually have several parts in the store, and they're restocking them right now, so I'm not going to go to the other side, but there are so many. So if you're needing any from Starbucks, Disney, the Cheesecake Factory, definitely check those out. Now, as I mentioned earlier, lots of Christmas is on clearance. Not all of it, but most of it. Like we have like this outdoor decor, the ornament, on clearance now for $59.96. The color changing iridescent tree, $126.91, over $73 discount. Now this is that pop-up twinkling nutcracker on clearance for $199.96. And if you find a nutcracker set, those are on clearance as well. The snowman, $149.94. The gingerbread village, I did pick this up. It's so pretty. $30.84. Not the hugest clearance, but it's still a discount. The disco mirror snowman, $62.15. And even my first Christmas tree. This is from Step 2. $83.83. The prismatic nutcracker, 6 feet tall, $129.88. And even the jumbo C9 lights, $26.91. Now the ornaments that we see right here on the right, and then we have the topiary on the left, both of those are still at regular price at this moment. Hopefully they'll go on clearance soon, because that's always the best part, getting items at a discount. Now we saw these on clearance last week, the pack of 2, they've lowered the price to $49.73. Now the Pocky, this is actually a really fun set because you're getting so many different flavors, and these would be great stocking stuffers. We have the chocolate, strawberry, cookies and cream, and a limited edition peppermint. And that is $12.98. Now from Iceman, if you're needing an ice machine, definitely check this one out. They have lowered the price now to $69.98 by $10. I always love it when they share that. And then from Frigidaire, if you are needing a new microwave oven, they have them available. They have quite a few too. And those are $69.87 till the 26th, a $20 savings. If you're still needing the mugs for the holidays, they got so many this year. The 4-piece set. Normally these sell down so fast, but we still see Hello Kitty, the Peanuts, Bluey, and the Grinch. And those are a good size. Still regular price of $15.48. Hopefully soon those get marked down. Now from Bidco Prep, the 30-piece food storage set. This is great if you're wanting to share some baked goods because they're so pretty. They have a little bit of like a glitter on the outside. You might be able to see a little bit here on film, but these are now on sale for $14.48 till the 26th. The Ninja Creamy, this is the 7-in-1, and this is a good one too. Now it doesn't make the soft serve, but it is on sale $149.98, and it includes the pint containers, so you can have multiple flavors of ice cream or sorbet, whatever you want to make. From Members Mark, the party set. This comes in so handy, especially for entertaining any time of the year. It's disposable, so easy to clean, 24-piece set. It also includes the chafing fuel as well and the utensils. There's so much to this box. $31.47 is a new lower price. If you're needing paper plates, these are my favorite here at Sam's Club. They are so adorable and you get so many. I love the trim, but look how many you get. Now they're still at regular price of $10.48. And don't forget your party cups. Over here we have the green, red, gold. There's 160, and I always like these. And then we have the clear right here. So these are so fun. They're still at regular price of $12.68, but they've been really popular. Now, if you're serving any warm drinks like hot cocoa, tea, or coffee from Chinette, we have a holiday edition right here. So there's 70 cups and the lids. These are 16 ounces, and that design on the outside, that's definitely going to help protect your hands from the warm cup. So it's like a nice, beautiful sleeve. And I like these. $13.98, still regular price. Now these paper plates are also pretty too with the ornaments, and this is the oval shape. So I like that you have like two different styles if you're wanting a big plate like this one or the smaller one like the one we saw earlier. $9.48. The Nutella. There's so many great recipes with Nutella. You're getting 2 of the containers, and these are actually on sale right now. $8.98. That's going to go until the 26th. If you're needing Bisquick, especially for maybe breakfast, you can make, of course, biscuits, muffins, pancakes. There's so many multiple uses with this box. Makes 145 pancakes. That's a lot, and they're on sale right now for $5.28. If you're needing any melting wafers, we have the white vanilla flavored. We also have our milk chocolate flavored as well. Both of these are the same price. There's a lot in here and so easy to melt as well. And those are 34 ounces for $7.98. Now the flour, this is from Gold Medal, the all-purpose flour. And you can see these are selling down 12 pounds for $6.72. Now we have our unbleached bread flour, and this is from King Arthur, and this is a good brand as well. Both of these are actually really good brands. Now this one is a 10-pound package, and it's regular price of $8.98. Now if you're needing some light brown sugar, 7 pounds in a resealable bag, $6.98, or some powdered sugar, 7 pounds as well in the resealable bag. And again, these are at regular price of $6.98, but a good price too. Now we do have a new bakery item, the chocolate Yule log buttercream filled for $15.97. It is so gorgeous, so beautiful. You have your poinsettias. It's almost like too pretty to eat, but we are going to take this home and test it out. I just have to admire it. Now, when you take off the top, you have this really nice gold plate. So this is going to be very beautiful on the table for dessert. It slices up so well. I love how even the buttercream with the cake, but does it taste good? Yeah, that's what we want to find out. And it was delicious. The buttercream frosting, not overly sweet. The cake was moist. In the past, I've had Yule log cakes and they've been just a little dry. This is probably the best one I have ever had. So if you see this at your store, they're very popular. Definitely pick one up. This is going to be extra special, especially for the holiday season. Now, a favorite of ours has returned, and that is the chocolate silk pie with the whipped topping. $12.74. In the past, when we pick it up, it's always been so good. So we're going to try it out again and see, is it still as good as it has been? You have that whipped cream topping with the chocolate shavings. Less slices up, and you want to definitely keep this in the refrigerator. Now, it's a little bit on the soft side. The pie itself didn't really firm up. However, it did not affect the taste. Everyone still liked it. They just kind of scooped it out, and so it's delicious. Definitely give that one a try. We have another sweet treat, and this is the holiday cake balls. This is a hot cocoa flavor. You're getting 24 of them for $18.98. And you can see, keep them in the refrigerator. These are good by Christmas Day too. So they have a longer shelf life. My daughter is having a hot cocoa party. So I'm going to test these out just to make sure that these will taste good. And it's a great addition to any gathering. Now on the inside, I wasn't sure if these were nuts, but when I tried them, it's soft, so I think they're supposed to be like maybe like a marshmallow. They're delicious. They taste really good, and they're easy to cut in half too. Definitely give these a try. They're so good. One and I'm good, but we kind of share these with our guests around the house, and everybody really liked them. Now, don't forget the holiday muffins, butter pecan, red velvet, and cranberry orange. I do want to point out the cranberry orange does have almonds on top too. Now, of course, the butter pecan, we kind of know that's going to have pecans. And those are a great price of $5.87 for 6 of them. The charcuterie entertainment tray. If you're wanting to put together a charcuterie board, definitely check this one out. It has everything you need. It's about $30, and this is just perfect. Now, the lobster mac and cheese. This is $9.16 a pound. So this was a little over $17. I've been wanting to give this one a try. I like the size of it. It's not too much. Now, when you bake it, you want to make sure you get this sticker off. And so carefully take off the lid, and then it just easily peels off. Just like this. Because you could bake it in this container, not in the plastic, but just this container alone. And so it baked for about 45 minutes. I love the pasta. There's actually quite a few pieces of lobster. How does it taste? That is the question. Let me take a few bites here. And it was delicious. My daughter got some and she really loved it. So this is a perfect addition, especially for the holiday season, if you're wanting to do something extra special. Lots of great items for entertaining, and I really like their veggie trays. So this one, with everything you see right here, it's about $11.28. I love the cucumber. That ranch dressing is actually really decent, and there's so much to it. And then over here you have your fruit tray. Now this one is about $11.90. And then over here, you have your fruit and cheese as well. Now, that is actually a good price, $8.90. I like that they kind of push them out. Now, if you're needing a huge one, this one is about $36.75. So your fruit and cheese. But I've picked these up a couple of times, and they're really good. I have been wanting to try this, the Mediterranean pasta salad. So it's about $4.98 a pound. This one's about $8. So let's take this one home and try it out. You don't need to heat it up. Just keep it in the refrigerator till you're ready to eat it. So you have the kale, the pasta, sun-dried tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and then also some feta cheese. And it tastes so good with the dressing. And the dressing, it kind of soaks up in the kale. The kale can be really tough, and so the kale, which is perfect. That is a really good salad. It's so easy to eat too. The cranberry apple top breed, they've returned this. It sold out last week. I'm so glad they brought these back. $11.76. Also for entertaining, these come in so handy. The artisan wraps. So you have your cheese and meat wraps. So if you're putting together a charcuterie board, you could definitely add these to it. $13.98. And then we also have our Italian charcuterie collection. We have our salami, we have some prosciutto. That one is $13.94. Now here's another new item, the lunch kit, the Members Mark variety. You have a pack of 6, so 3 of the turkey, 3 of the ham for $8.47. Let's try this one out. No artificial flavors or colors, so that is a huge plus. And they're uncured as well. So you have like 3 little cookies, the crackers, your cheese and meats. And those were delicious. And I really like these. Better ingredients than some other ones we've seen like this. So I really do like this, and my daughter liked it. So it's a fun little treat. I'm not sure exactly for lunch, but it's a good treat. Also in the freezer, we have our shrimp platter. And 2.5 pounds, and also includes the cocktail sauce, on sale for $21.87. That's going to go until the 26th. Now, if you are serving desserts, these miniature cheesecakes assortment, these always come in so handy. Just keep these in the freezer till you're ready to serve. I would let them defrost for about a couple of hours in the fridge. $18.27. Or if you're wanting to serve a meat lasagna, this is a pack of 2. This is heavy. I kind of want to give this a try. Let me know if you have tried this. $15.97 for 2 of them. The sausage and spinach puff pastry. This looks so good. 24 pieces. I always love finding the appetizers. And those are $9.97. See, that's a good price. And they brought back the perfume and cologne. They have samples. We saw this a few weeks ago. It's sold out, so I'm glad they brought it back. These are $36.98, and I like that they're samples, so you can smell it before you buy it. And another sweet treat, if you're looking for some brownies, the 2-bite brownies, these are so good, so dangerous as well. It's the perfect little size, $9.22. We also have some madeleines. They're individually wrapped as well, and that is good. They're going to have a little bit of a longer shelf life, and those are $8.48. And the brownies, so if you're wanting some fancy brownies, these with the frosting are so good. Those are about $19.93. But we have some new cutout cookies, of course, for the holiday season, $10.98. And you're getting 15 of them. They are so adorable. So let's try these out again. So my daughter wants to have some of these for her party as well. So she asked me to leave the trees and the mittens, but I can eat the sweater. So let's try it out. It is so good. It's just the right amount of tenderness and crispiness of the cookie. And then you have a little bit of that glaze on top. These are so perfectly done. If you're looking for some cookies for the holiday season, definitely check those out. We have another new sweet item, and this is the loaf cake trio. So we have a lemon, we have chocolate, and then a strawberry, $6.87. So you're getting 3 pieces of each. Well, let's take this one home and try these out. So I actually cut these in 4. So I'm going to go around the house and just kind of see what everyone thinks. It looks like there's a little bit of the cream with the lemon. And then we have our strawberries, and that might be like a strawberries and cream. And of course our chocolate with the chocolate glaze. They smell good, but unfortunately the taste was kind of artificial. And these were not our favorites. We've tried a lot of great items today. I think the Yule log was one of our favorites in today's testing. But let me know if you have tried these loaf cake trios. What do you think? Now, don't forget to check out their bread section. They always have great loaves of bread, different sizes. So if you're needing any bread for the holiday season for gatherings or just to have a sandwich or a bagel, definitely check them out. They're made fresh. They don't have the longest shelf life because there's no preservatives. $3.98 for the bagels. And I like the bagels because if you just need one, you could just pick up one. So the plain bagels, I like those because then we can make them sweet or savory. Well, everyone, we're going to head on out. Thank you so much for coming along to Sam's Club with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.